Hi guys, my name is Morgan, and for my field trip I decided to go to the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. I chose this site because it was one I have never been to before. At this refuge I learned a lot about the organization and some of the animals they take in there. In this video you will see some of the things I thought were most interesting. This video is the beginning of the drive through the refuge. Throughout this adventure we drove and stopped at things we thought were interesting. This is a photo of me taking a photo. As you will see in the next slide, I was taking a picture of the flower blooming in the bushes. This is just a simple photo of a blooming flower in the mangrove forest swamp. I thought this was interesting because it was the only flower in the area, and also these leaves are perfect examples of primary producers. The leaves are primary sites of photosynthesis in plants. This open water Tarpon Bay Pond has many marine animals and birds. It also had so many mangrove trees surrounding it. As you can see, this Tarpon Bay had a little island for the wildlife as well. In the Smith Pond, Ding Darling houses many fish. Such fish include mullet, redfish, snook, and tarpon. This is just some of the many fish Ding Darling has in their waters. The birds at Ding Darling are everywhere. They just fly and fly. In this photo, you can see a flock of white birds. These birds are called shorebirds. They're the most commonly seen at Ding Darling. As I said before, Ding Darling is full of primary producers. This tree has a very random crustacean though. You can't see it in this photo, but when you look up at the tree, you see mangrove tree crabs all over it. It was the coolest sight ever. This is something I've never seen or heard about before. These two consecutive photos show just how much mangrove forest Ding Darling has. This habitat truly defines the refuge because it is part of the largest undeveloped mangrove ecosystem in the U.S. In this last photo, you see an American alligator. This gator popped out of nowhere as I was exiting the refuge. She is unique because she is housed there for endangerment reasons. If you look closely at the photo, you see her tail is halfway cut off. This is my marine animal. The taxonomic name is Alligator mississippianus, also known by the common name of crocodilians or American alligator. In this picture, you see the common body parts an alligator may have. This is the drive exiting the park and the conclusion of my video. I hope you gained some new knowledge about Ding Darling and the wildlife they take in there.